Gavrielides has argued that after the emergence of centralized rulers, acephalous societies were gradually replaced by state ones, while at the same time the restorative justice paradigm started to weaken. The needs of the victims were replaced progressively by the interests of the kingdom, which became the basis for conflict resolution. In fact, the sovereign became the central leader for settling disputes, and restitution was no longer due to the victim but to the king. This development made the application of restorative practices difficult and gradually impossible. During the second period of the Middle Ages, victims are said to have lost completely their place in the system of criminal justice. This change is documented in Gilbert Gay's work. There, he used historical examples to show that it was during this part of the Middle Ages when kings established their power and took the conflict-solving process away from the parties involved by creating a firm state-controlled criminal justice system. Many historians claim that the Anglo-Saxon and Germanic rulers of the second time frame gradually made the administration of justice a profitable institution by taking away victims' rights to compensation and by imposing fines that were payable to the state. Pollock and Maitland said that one justification that was quoted for these changes was, "The wrong done to an individual extends beyond her own family. It is a wrong done to the community of which she is a member, and thus the wrongdoer may be regarded as a public enemy." Along the same lines is John Braithwaite's evaluation, as he noted, long before the Inquisition, church leaders were among those who sought to secure their power through retributive affliction on the bodies of their flock. It was the church that established persecution as a central authority to assert its will and church heresy. The barbarism of the Inquisition was justified because crime was committed not against the victim, but against the moral order of the church.